Ever wondered how people are making extra cash on the side without quitting their day job? Or maybe you're tired of boring, low-paying gigs and want something that actually brings in serious money? You're in the right place. Today, I'm revealing 60 profitable side hustles you can start in 2024 that are guaranteed to boost your income and shake up your financial game. And make sure to stay tuned until the end. I've got 2 super unique side hustles that you probably haven't heard of before. Finding a side hustle that truly pays off can be a daunting task. Many options out there are either saturated or just not worth your time. But don't worry, I'm about to reveal 60 side hustles that are not only profitable, but also offer fresh and innovative opportunities. Stick around because these ideas will definitely surprise you. All right, let's dive into these 60 side hustles. Grab a pen and paper. You're going to want to take notes. Help people buy, sell, or lease virtual properties in online worlds and games. Yes, this is a real market and growing fast. AI Prompt Engineer. Create and refine prompts for AI tools to improve their responses. A cutting-edge field with high demand. NFT Creator. Design and sell digital art as NFTs. It's a booming market with endless creative possibilities. Remote Drone Pilot. Operate drones for various applications like real estate, inspections, or even agricultural surveys. Voice acting for audiobooks. Narrate audiobooks for authors and publishers. It's a growing niche with plenty of opportunities. Number 6. Social media meme consultant. Help brands create viral memes that can boost their online presence and engagement. Subscription Box Curator. Create and manage subscription boxes for niche markets. Think gourmet snacks or eco-friendly products. Host virtual events, workshops, or webinars. It's a great way to leverage your public speaking skills. Review and test online courses for quality and effectiveness, helping students make informed decisions. Provide technical support remotely for various software and hardware issues. Do you love words? Freelance writing can be incredibly profitable. Think blog posts, copywriting, and more. Share your knowledge and get paid. From math to music, there's a tutor gig for everyone. Sell products without holding inventory. Sounds like a dream, right? Print on demand. Design custom products like t-shirts and mugs. No upfront costs, just profits. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions. It's easier than you think. Virtual assistant. Help businesses with administrative tasks from the comfort of your home. Social media management. Manage social media accounts for companies and influencers. Online coaching. Provide expert advice in various fields from business to personal growth. Online courses. Create and sell your own courses on platforms like Udemy. Got a good eye for photography? Sell your photos online. Start a YouTube channel or podcast. Your passion could turn into a paycheck. Invest in rental properties or REITs for passive income. Blogging. Share your expertise or hobbies and monetize through ads and sponsorships. Tutoring English online. Help students from around the world improve their English skills. Etsy shop owner. Sell handmade or vintage items online. App development. Create and sell your own mobile apps. Affiliate websites. Build niche websites and earn from affiliate links. Personal training. Offer fitness training sessions either online or in person. Pet sitting, dog walking. Get paid to care for pets while their owners are away. Virtual coaching. Provide coaching in areas like business, health, or life. Ebook author. Write and publish ebooks on Amazon. Handyman Services. Offer home repair services in your local area. Voiceover Work. Record voiceovers for commercials, audiobooks, and more. Web design. Create websites for small businesses and entrepreneurs. Online market trading. Trade stocks, crypto, or Forex from home. Subscription box service. Curate and sell subscription boxes tailored to specific interests. Online surveys. Get paid for sharing your opinions on various products. Mobile car detailing. Offer car cleaning services on the go. Freelance graphic design. Design logos, marketing materials, and more for clients. Event planning. Organize and manage events like weddings or corporate functions. Home cleaning. Offer cleaning services to local homeowners. Transcription Services. Convert audio and video recordings into text. Real estate wholesaling. Find properties to sell to investors at a markup. Online personal shopping. Help clients shop for clothes and accessories online. Digital marketing consulting. Assist businesses in improving their online presence. SEO Specialist. Help websites rank higher on search engines. Copywriting. Write compelling copy for websites, ads, and marketing materials. Social media influencer. Leverage your social media following to earn through partnerships. Music lessons. Teach music to students of all ages. Language translation. Translate documents or conversations for clients. Home staging. Help sellers prepare their homes for the market. Freelance editing. Edit and proofread content for writers and businesses. Offer grocery shopping and delivery services in your area. Host virtual workshops on your area of expertise. Cook and deliver meals to busy clients. Help clients plan and book their vacations. Rent out your vehicle when you're not using it. Manage rental properties for owners. Data entry. Perform data entry tasks for businesses. Online craft classes. Teach craft skills through online classes or tutorials. Which side hustle caught your eye? And now, as promised, here are 2 bonus side hustles that are a bit unconventional, but could be incredibly lucrative. Freelance research. Help businesses with market research and analysis. Virtual reality experiences. Create or facilitate VR experiences for entertainment or education. So, which of these 60 side hustles are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below with your favorite or if you have any side hustles of your own to share. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more amazing content. And if you want to see a video on a specific topic or need more ideas, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.